But more importantly, they have the cutest puppies here. Hello! Oh, hello, Papa! Hello, Papa! Got a baby! Hi, baby! So cute!
And this is why we didn't leave the hotel in Sapa.
It's so cute! It's so cute.
Look at the state of you. Look at the state of you.
Firstly, look at our view. And secondly, this is our bungalow. So you walk in and we have our own little living area here with couch, TV. It comes with this strange man that we're not allowed to talk to. The bathroom is just in here. It's got a shower, toilet, and then here's our bedroom. Super cute. Pie with ice cream and Esteban's fancy concoction. Take a drink. Have a sip. Oh. After eating half of my dessert, he's got himself a banana crepe. The fancy part of Sapa. Dinner with a view. Not him. I also got some garlic egg bun. Look at this cute area. It's New Year's, it's Christmas, everything's happening here. It's been a really good first day in Sapa. Looking forward to tomorrow. I think it's going to be raining while we're here though, which kind of sucks, but what can you do? Morning cuddles, hello. Hello. Oh. Hello. You're just a baby, aren't you? Are you gonna keep biting me? Instagrammable place in Sapa. I don't know why Esteban brought us here because we don't like to take photos. And also, look at my outfit. Does it look like I want to take photos in this? But we paid 90 dong and we're gonna go take photos. Went to the toilet and noticed my hair was like this, and I've been legitimately walking the streets for 30 minutes with this hair and someone didn't even tell me. Hi, beautiful. You know the doggies get a lot of attention. Getting a quick drink before we head off to the train. I got a Vietnamese iced coffee, but I'm trying something new. And Esteban got a banana cake. And I'm trying some taro boba, which I've never tried before. My burger patty is square.
That's skill right there.
Garnish. Flan caramel and chocolate mousse.